It's Fake Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run on the.
My lovies, I'm coming to you with a video. This video is a quick review of some true wireless earbuds that I received from a company called Radom Tech. This company is on Amazon.com, and so they reached out to me to see if I would like to review their wireless earbuds, and I said sure. I love earbuds, especially wireless earbuds, because they're just so much easier without the cord and all that hassle. So yeah, a little bit about the company. When browsing, they sell a large variety of earbuds for your phones, you know, and some come with the wires, some don't. But the ones, like I said, the ones that they sent me today are the Radom True Wireless Earbuds. The packaging looks like this. And this picture definitely doesn't do them any justice. They come in this beautiful package like this. It is so pretty. I love the way it looks. It looks so high-tech, and I love that about it. The blue light is on because they are charging. And they actually are both fully charged now, but they look like this. So this holding case, this is a holding case for your earbuds as well, and you also use it as a charging case. And then you have your USB insert right here where you will plug it in, and it comes with the charging cord, of course. And I'm going to open the box to show you, lovies, what's inside. And it looks like this. And you have your charging cord here. You have your earphones where you can change the phones out. So I'm going to show you guys. And when you initially get these, they do come with plastic here, so you do make sure to check that, because you may make the mistake trying to put them on the charging port and they will not charge. So you definitely want to take the plastic off of here before you put them on your charging port. So basically the phones are, you're able to change out this here, well, the rubber, I would say. But you are able to change this and change this on your earbuds, which is great because sometimes these may get like old, worn out, or whatever it may be. So that's great that they send you a total of 4 of these and 4 of these, so you're able to change out. So I'm going to show you the inside of this charger case. If my camera will focus. So that is the inside, and as you can see, you have those 2 prongs there, and that's where you sit. It automatically, magnetically just clicks in there, and if it needs to be charged, they will automatically start charging. So yeah, like I said, you have your cord and everything that comes in here, so don't forget that and end up tossing out the box, because you have everything you need for your earbuds. And you also have underneath, you have your instruction manual here, which is always needs to be kept. But here's your instruction manual, and it basically tells you how to cut your device on and off. To cut it on, you want to hold the earbud, press down on the earbud for about 3 seconds. And to cut it off, you can press down on one of the earbuds for 5 seconds. So to cut it on, hold both earbuds down for 3 seconds, and to cut them off, you can just use one earbud to cut off. You know, press down for 5 seconds and it will cut off. These earbuds have and like y'all know the routine. If I'm looking down, I'm reading off my notes because I don't want to miss anything to share with you lovies. These earbuds have a 4.4 out of 5 star rating on Amazon.com, which is bomb. That is a great rating for these. When reading through comments, because I did read through the reviews as well, they have definitely great reviews on these earbuds. They come in handy as far as people like driving or sports activities, you know, things like that. Me personally, I love to use them when I'm like, you know, out and about. If I have my bag in my purse, not my bag in my purse. Lord, y'all, it's late. If I have my phone in my purse, you know, so I love using them out and about. And I also love using them when I edit my videos because I'm able to hear everything crystal clear, whether, you know, so that's like, I love using these for that. Also, they have a superior sound. I think it says something about an IPX4 sound, whatever that is. But yeah, the sound is magnificent. It has a built-in mic as well, so you don't have to worry about, you can answer your phone if you have the voice command, you know, with your phone. And they are waterproof. Like, I definitely had earbuds before that were wireless, but I ended up having to trash them because they were not waterproof. So this is a great item to have. They are compatible with your iPad, with your iPhone, your smartphone, your laptop, and so many more things that you may use at home on a day-to-day basis as far as electronic wise. So yeah, and another great thing is they also come with a lifetime warranty. So that is magnificent. So do make sure you keep this card that is also included in your box. I have them on so you lovers can see how they fit in my ears.
Hey, hey. I just want to dance with you.
As far as all the information I have for you lovers as far as the Radom Tech wireless earbuds, I hope you lovers enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure to share. Do check them out. I love this case. This case is just so adorable. So yeah, hope you lovers enjoy. Check them out, and I will see you babes in the next video. Bye.